Let's create an animated GIF using PowerPoint. Click on the Design tab, click on the Slide Size menu and select Custom Slide Size. For this example, let's use 2 inches width and 2 inches in height. Click OK. Click Maximize or Ensure Fit. Here's a graphic I'll use to demonstrate the process. I want to group the triangles because I want them to move as a group in the animation. In the left panel, right-click and select Duplicate Slide. Then edit the slide. In this case, I'll just rotate the triangles a little bit. Then duplicate the second slide. Edit the third slide, and so on. Once you've created all your animation slides, select them all in the left panel while holding the Control key. Then go to the Export option in the File menu and select the Create an Animated GIF option. Here you can select the image quality. The default is medium. Check the Make Background Transparent box and change the seconds spent on each slide to about 0.1 seconds or so. Choose a location on your device to save the file. I'm overwriting a previous copy of the file here. To check the animation file, select Pictures on the Insert ribbon, then From Device in the Pictures menu. After I delete the background images, you can see that you can resize the animation and use it as an image in PowerPoint, or use the file in any other app that allows the use of animated GIFs. Be sure to click like and follow for more PPT quickies.